Good morning and welcome to Crypto News Hindi. Ladies and gentlemen, in this video, we will teach you each and every point how you can stake your Matic token on testnet. Again, we will tell you Matic testnet. This is not original Matic token staking. Please keep this in your mind. So first of all, you need to click on the MetaMask. If you have a MetaMask, that is fine. If you don't have a MetaMask, you can go and download the MetaMask wallet and then open the MetaMask wallet. Click on the this testnet. This is GOERLI testnet. You need to click on this, and after this you need to click on these three lines. You need to add Matic token, testnet Matic token. For that you need to click on add token, custom token, and after that you need to put the Matic testnet token address here. Because we already added this token, so it is showing token has already been added. We will provide you this link in description of this video. You can copy this link and add this link here, and after that you need to add this token. After add this token, your MetaMask is ready for the transaction, for the integration through Web3. After that you need to go on the dashboard. So for that you need to click on this link. We will provide you this link in the description of this video. You can go directly there and just click on this link. After clicking on this link, this screen will be shown, right? So here you can say validate on the Matic and earn rewards. If you want to become the validator, you have to click on this, but we want to stake our coin. So stake with a validator and earn rewards. You just need to scroll this screen slowly and see. Here are the list of the validators. So we need to choose a validator randomly, like you need to click after that on the delegate. We click on the delegate. This screen will be show. If you applied for the Matic testnet token, your token will be show here like this. We have 400 Matic token. We already stake some token, and how much reward we will get in few minutes or few hours, we will show you after that. So just type the amount, how much token you want to stake here, and see projected reward per checkpoint is 0.061. We will get in 200 stake token, we will get 0.061 Matic token. So you need to click on delegate now. Delegating now, MetaMask notification will show here. You need to deposit some Ethereum for this transaction also, right? So this is the transaction fees. Now you need to click on confirm. It is buffering here, and again this is the notification you will get. You need to click on confirmation. The confirmation transaction, see confirm transaction. Just wait for some time. It will take few seconds only. See, congratulations, successfully delegated tokens. After 12 block confirmation, you can process to your account page to check the status. Go to my account. See, here you can check, or you can click on my delegators details also, right? Here you can see Matic balance. So we have 200 Matic token now. 200 Matic token we just deposited right now, and total stake 600 Matic tokens, and 200 Matic tokens we just staked. So it will take some few seconds or few minutes. We can wait for that also. But here you can see 600 Matic token we staked, I think 24 hours before. So we are getting this profit here, 7.7 Matic token we are getting here as a profit. So this is the very simple process. I think for some people this is the very first time, even for us this is the very first time. But the process is very simple. Matic is a very good project and the project is very simple. So this is the some simple process you can do and stake your tokens. This is the process for the this Matic token testnet. But what I personally feel that in future, when this project will be live, so you can stake your original Matic token just like this only. So you can save this video in your library in future, and you can follow step by step. And this is the easiest project. If you have any question inquiries about this project, about this staking, or if you confuse somewhere, so you just drop a message in this video details. So we will try to answer you our level best, and we will provide you each and every link in this description of this video, like how you can check this Matic staking educational initiative program. This blog at link we will also provide you in description of this video. And after that you will get all information from here. Like this is the dashboard, this is the dashboard link, and this is the address link you need to add this with the testnet. So each and every information is available here. Still, if you have some confusion, just drop a message. We will try our level best to solve your problem, right? So happy staking, and just enjoy your staking. Thank you so much.